Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anita Putri from the 1 semester PGSD Studi Program STKIP Harapan Bima. I made this video for the final semester exam from Mr. Abbas Oya, Magister Pendidikan, with the English 1 course. Here I will explain about the Rimpu Bima culture. My aim in the name Rimpu Budaya Bima is to introduce the unique culture of Bima and to always remember to preserve it. Rimpu is a culture in the culting dimension of the Bima community. The Rimpu culture has lived and developed since the Bima people existed. Rimpu is a way of dressing that contains distinctive values that are in line with religional conditions that have an Islamic nuance. Rimpu is a way of dressing for the Bima people who use the type called Bima sarong. Rimpu is a series of clothing that use two pieces sarongs. The two covers are for the bottom and top. This rimpu is clothing intended for women. The sarong worn by the Bima people is known as Tembengoli, Kavampida, which is worn by yourself using a type called Bima with known as Muna. Rimpu appeared in Bima was with the spirit of Islam on Tuesday, July 5, 106-40 AD. Rimpu Bojo is a traditional clothing that commemorates the development of daily customs which have been the basis for the emergence of religious development after the development of the Sultan period. As the identity of Bojo Muslim women in ancient time, where the Bojo community at the time of the spirit of become one of the structures of social history at that time. Rimpu was one of the coarse materials used to cover the private parts by women in the Bojo community at the time. Rimpu is a type of clothing that has quite strong moral, social, modesty, and religious values. So Rimpu used to be known now as a strengthening of their religions during ancient civilizations when the spirit of Islam began to spread in Bima. Bojo women had to wear rimpu when they left the house. If not, they have violated the moral law. This was stated directly by Nur Farhati Gani from the Bima Women's Forum. Not only that, they have violated religious laws and customs. However, Bojo women in the past will still remember these violations, because their beliefs and beliefs have made them strong in developing and upholding the religious polarity. Bojo is well known to many women who use rimpu, because rimpu provides a symbol and very high social polarity. This is one of the spiritual cults by Bojo women in facing the conditions of the times. Rimpu as a religious and cultural identity, the political distribution of Islamic identity began to be defined in such a way by religious spheres, namely trying to integrate local culture. As time went by, this identity became an icon in itself to build a new culture among the Bojo people. Rimpu culture is a way of dressing that is characteristics of Bima society. Rimpu for women in Bima is different according to status. There are two types of rimpu, namely small rimpu and chola rimpu, where rimpu cilik is usually worn by young women and teenagers. For guys wear rimpu pida, which means that their entire body is covered in a sarong and only their eyes are left open. This is the same as a Muslim woman wearing the veil. The method is to warp the exciting sarong in the direction of the head and face and then leave it on open space for the eyes. Meanwhile, rimpuchola is usually used by married mothers. The method is almost the same. That's my brief explanation about the Rimpu Bima culture. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.